Okay. La 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 la. So we have used we have used opencv and numpy to understand a little bit about everything about image processing. Okay, so what we can do is, if you run this, you'll get a window here. I don't want a window, separate window. I just want that to be here. In that case, what I can do is import ah na, 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 import matplotlib dot py plot. This is famously called as PLT. We'll import this as PLT. Then we know that all these stuff, matplotlibs are used for plotting graphs and stuff like that. Essentially, what are graphs? Graphs are numbers. So here, even arrays are numbers. So it seems we can use the same ideology and do the stuff. So what I can do is I'll read the same image. Okay, I don't want it, so I'll just comment that off. Pick is equals to cv2 dot imread. We know how to read it. We know how to read it. So there's something else also we have to remember while doing this thing. I'm writing file name. No, no, no. This is the image. This is the image dot jpg. Okay. Okay. What we can do is we have plt, right? Plt dot imshow. So what do you want to show? I want to show pic. That's it. Okay. I really don't need all these things, so I'll just remove them. Remove it. I don't even need np, so I'll just remove that also. Please, yeah. No. This is not what I want. Ah, shit, man. Ah, this is the worst thing. Okay, let's have it side by side. Ah. So, but this is not one sec. This is the actual image. Ah, why God, why? Ah, this is the actual image. You can see it's red and the staff. It is different in color. But if you see here, not here, here. If you see here, it's weird. It is because this matplotlib reads RGB as BRG. It reads the reverse of it. So what we can do to eliminate or to get our normal color back is all you can do is cv2 dot cvt color, yeah. Pick. I have stored that value in pick. So pick comma cv2 dot. It's asking what to do. So I'm telling it color brg to rgb. This is what I want. Simple, simple. Okay, let's see. See, that is how you get back to the original image. So if you see, you got all these annoying numbers, zero, zero. So this is what I was explaining before. The axis is goes like this, 0 to whatever number in y direction. It is below, and the positive y direction is below, and positive x direction is as usual. So that is that. If you want to remove those numbers, what you can do is you can remember pld dot not tide. I want title. Where title? You can give title also. It's I am Anna. Okay. And just after im show, I'll just say pld dot and just a thing. So दो लफ्जों की है दिल की कहानी क्या है मोहब्बत क्या है पूरा. See, it says I am Iron Man. Okay, so if you want to remove those things, what you can do is you can pass the ticks. All these things are called as ticks. All these things. Funny thing, ticks. So I need to remove x ticks and put nothing there. Nothing is empty. Palat plt y tick and there is nothing. So it should work. Come on. Yeah, it is working. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah, that's it. You can show multiple images in one go. So if you want same thing, I'll copy the same thing. Copy, paste. I'll give us different name. Capital P, for example. Capital P. Capital P. Im show capital P. Okay. I have a different image. Haha, you're gonna love this guy. I have Mr. Fluffy. Mr. Iglesias. Okay. You know that. Here's the guy. So that is that you can show different and not different. You can use multiple images in a same program. That's it. There you have to create different windows to access different names of windows. That's it. It's the same. We are exploring different options here. Options. We are not exploring. Okay, that's it. Anything else? Okay, next thing is we dealt with images. We know how to read images. We know how to write on images. If not wrong, we know how to. Okay, there is something I want to do. we can write on the image, right? We'll show how to write on the image. So what we will do is we'll go here, cv2 dot put put text, he is what I want to write. This is the text. It is asking image first. My image is P, capital P, comma, text is then, comma, origin. It is asking for origin. Okay, let us give origin as 0, 0. Font, I want font bar. I should put a comma. Font F-O-U-N-T, no U, F-O-N-T. Okay, there are different fonts here. I go with italic. Okay, italic, comma. No, font scale is 2. It's fine. Color is 255, comma 255, comma 255 is white basically. And thickness you want. Thickness is let come. Maybe that's it. 50. Dude, it is there. I can't see it. So what we will do is we will write cv2.show only for first. For cv2.show. Show what? Not show. cv2.info. I want to show P and the name of God. Remember something? We have to cv2 dot wait key. Come on. cv2 dot what else? Destroy all windows. Cool. Sawa. We converted that to this. So you get it. Iglesias. Oh, no. Where are you, mister? Okay, it's here. So that is done. We were just playing around. Next thing what we want to do is we want to use webcam. Yeah. How do we okay. Import cv2. Next thing, it's very cool. It's dude, you will get the vibe. But I don't think I need that, but still. Why did I do this then? I need both of these. So keeping them, jumping them. Okay. So I'm going to show me. So me is equals to cv2 dot. This is how you access cameras. So if you have n number of cameras, the index changes. I have only one camera. Sad. So what we are doing here is, if my camera is on, if the program, the Python senses the camera ready, I have to get the frame out of it. I have to capture the image from it and display it. So that is what we are doing here. Me dot me is what we acquired from that is opened. Yeah, if it is opened, all these is opened is true. All these gives you logical answers. So one. That's casual thing is equals to me dot read. I don't know spelling of read. Okay. So now after opening, if the return value is true, we get the frame out of it. If it is false, so what else we should do? Else, I know indentation. Else, else rect is equals to no is equals to false, false, false. That's it. So what we can do is my image A is equals to cv2 dot cvt color everything what we did before frame. We are showing it here, so it's cool then. Frame frame comma cv2. You know what we are doing, right? It gives you a bluish colored image, so we're converting it to COLOR color, the RGB color, that is RGB to BGR. BGR to RGB. So I need to plot im show. What do you need for my image? This is what I want to show. So me, what we captured will release. If not, you're stuck. Release it. Once again, we are checking if any mistakes are there. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Run. It was my phone. Run once again if you want. Run once again if you want. So that is it. That is how you can access. What you can access? You can access camera like that. So video is nothing but a continuous flow of images. So we can modify this image, not this image. We can modify this the same code a bit and get a video out of it. We can get we can capture video. That is what I meant. So let's do it. So I need continuous output from the camera. So either you can use for loop, which is for finite time, or you can create an infinite loop in for loop, and you can use or for break and stuff. I'll use while loop, which is kind of easy for me. So this is fine. I finish this. I'll cancel this. Okay. I have access to these arrows. I don't know what are these values. Okay, I have access to camera now, so I'll write while true. Silly guy. Same thing. Red. No mistake. Red camera frame. What we had earlier is equals to me dot read I guess. Yeah, me.read. Obviously. So now what can I do is cv2 dot im show my tb. I'll give a name and a thingy. You can give it. Frame is what I want to show. It's continuous process because it's in while loop. So okay. If cv2 dot wait key, we were using wait key to destroy the window, right? So if cv2 dot wait key, the same thing here, until and unless we use a keyboard interrupt, we won't be exiting the thing, the frame, the video, the thing. I don't know what I'm talking. The thing, bro. So this is, you're setting a keyboard interrupt. I'm giving q simply because quit. Or else I'll give space. Yeah, if that is the case, oh, okay, and break, that's it. Something like that happens, then me as usual release, please, and after releasing I have to destroy all this, destroy all the windows. That is done. Okay, this is what it is. Moment of truth.
Can't see, Flo. Now he's doing the shoulder technique.
He's using a headstrong file.
That's not a headstrong file. That's a K-flex.
It's got a teardrop cross section. Clearly a headstrong.
No, K-flex.
Headstrong.
K-flex!
There I go. Little help over here.
I'll go deflate him.
All right, go ahead and rinse.
Oh, the human mouth is a disgusting place. Hey, Nigel.
What did I miss? Am I late?
Root canal, and it's a doozy.
Root canal, huh? What did he use to open?
Gator Glidden drill.
He's been favouring that one. Hope he doesn't get surplus.
Quit. That's a nice one. It works. It works. It works. It works. So that's it. You can what you can do stuff with this show thing. So we did RGB to gray and stuff like that, right? So you can do the same thing in the video too. So just by writing, for example, I want this frame as that, right? Frame. So in show frame, what I can do is frame is equals to cv2 dot cvt. Come on, color. Yeah, this is what I want. Color. What do you want to change? I want to change the frame. Dude. Yeah, frame. The code is come on, show the suggestion. I thought I will only have to do black and white TV. So now is the time. Okay.
Hope he doesn't get surplus seal at the secondary portal terminus. Hello. Who's this?
New guy.
Dennis took him off the reef.
And howdy. From my neck of the woods, eh? Sorry if I ever took a snap at you. Fish got to swim, birds got to eat.
Wait.
No. That's your fish. They're my fish. Come on.
Then my fish. This is my fish. That is what you can do. You can play with it. You can do stuff with it. And what? Oh, I didn't use plot only anyway, so it's cool. Now I can just remove this. Simple 11 line curves it is. That's 10 actually if you remove this. Simple as. Okay, this is it. And this is where we say bye, bye. Ta-da! Okay. Okay, cool. Next thing we will meet Mr. Groot, and we will meet Drew, we'll meet Small Girl, we'll meet a Rototoli guy. You must not let anyone define your limits because of where you come from. Your only limit is your soul. Oh god. Gustavo Rototoli. Na 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 na. And we'll meet these two guys. Yeah, that's it. We'll delete old king. That's it. Fine, fine, fine. Ta-da, ta-da. YouTube thing. Do that.